Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Mazak 18 inches Hercules Ajax manual lathe. The machine is in a really great condition. It has a 12 inches chuck on it, has a military 2-axis DRO, quick change tool post, taper attachment, tailstock, study rest. So the machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us or email us. So now we're going to give you the demo. Yes, sir. Machine is on. Cross feed is going on. DRO is working. It's a longitudinal feed going on. We're gonna arm the threading on it. That's a threading. Can you also do like a reverse feed on both axes, on the cross and on the longitudinal? That's a reverse threading. We're gonna show you the reverse feed on the cross and on the longitudinal. That's your reverse cross feed. Oh, that's still going on. We need to reverse it. So it's a reverse longitudinal feed and a reverse cross feed. Now we're gonna show you different RPMs on the headstock. So currently the machine is running at 40 RPM. There's a 900 RPM going on.
RPM.
545 RPM. It's a 25 RPM. Uh, 310 RPM. Machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.